Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one only Great Dane, back day 729, Star Drop opening. So let's see what we have. Starting with a rare of 100 XP doublers. Onto a super rare, 50 power points. Rare 25 power points, so an okay opening. For the daily streak, day 110, we had 10 credits. And the fortune of if at first you don't succeed, brawl again, which again isn't really a fortune, but it's whatever. So I was also talking to club mates and they informed me that the Demons event was delayed until around the 20th or so of August. Again, not 100% sure why, but apparently it has something to do with them changing things around. Additionally, Trunk may be delayed a bit as well, just because it's the last brawler you can pay to get early access for. But again, that's all kind of up in the air still, so we're going to have to see. I don't know why I'm so surprised, but I am surprised to see we have yet another Kit skin challenge going on for, I want to say it's pronounced Mariano Kit skin. Again, essentially the same thing, except this time we have... Oh wow, okay, we have Volley Brawl, Wipeout, and Dodge Brawl. Again, some pretty uncommon modes, I would say here. I'm not going to do it right now, I will in tomorrow's video. Right now I'm just going to focus on the free hypercharge. Again, unfortunately, I do have to win the 10 battles specifically in the hypercharge unleashed mode. I wish it was just 10 battles in general. I'd have it done already if that were the case. In fact, the heist wins that I got for the daily 8 wins were very fast, but and hopefully this won't take too long, and hopefully I'll get one of the, I'll say, better hypercharges. But again, I'll be back right after I get my 10 wins. So I didn't get the 10 wins yet, but I just wanted to take a quick pit stop to show you guys an extra. I'll probably have an extra one after this actually too, just for the 10 battles played. But I had 3 additional quests in the special quest category for just getting 3 wins in any showdown, which this counts too because Hypercharge Unleashed is showdown for some reason. But anyway, let's see if we have anything good here. Again, hopefully legendary, hopefully more hypercharges. Mythic. We have a mythic, 500 coins, really good. Rare 50 coins is alright. Super rare. A super rare of 100 coins, and again, I've played 10 battles, and the other 2 I probably won't get just because they involve playing with the teammates. So in a team, I might try to get this one, I suppose, right after I end the video, but I won't bother getting it on recording, again, just because there's 4 hours left on it. I'll try and get it, but again, I'll be back after I get the 10 matches played and then the hypercharge star drop. Alright, we have the star drop for getting 10 battles played in showdown. It's a super rare, 50 power points. I have a few more matches to play and then we'll have the hypercharge. Alright, we're finally back with the 10 wins and a guaranteed hypercharge out of the star drop. So again, hopefully it's one of the, I'll say, again, quote-unquote good ones. Most of these, again, just from playing, are really overpowered, and some of them are quite underwhelming, which is why it's hard to get 10 wins in a row. Anyway. Okay, this one is actually pretty much a guaranteed kill. It's pretty good in some modes, especially in ranks, so I'm definitely not disappointed by that. Again, make sure I covered the modes. Anyway, we have Mariano Kit skin challenge, free hypercharge challenge I just beat, the Mega Pig, Brawl Arena, the Smack Dome. We have solo showdown, Feast or Famine, Gym Grab 5v5, Arctic Ambush, and Knockout, Gold Arm Gulch. And again, really nothing too crazy going on. If you jump over to the shop, again, we still have the meow 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 offer. We have Gold Nico B at a discount still, But again, if I could get it for free, I'm not going to spend the gems. We have value offer 4 gems, which I don't plan on buying. We have daily freebie of 5 credits, as well as 15 coins. But I don't think anything else too crazy is going on, so as of today, I have 13,876 XP doublers and 163,433 power points. But again, I'm interested to hear if you guys are enjoying the Hypercharge Unleashed challenge, or if you're getting started on your Mega Pig, or if you're enjoying Solo Showdown Plus being back in the game. But other than that, I don't think too much else is going on, but I'm pretty excited for tomorrow, which should be 2 years of doing these types of videos for the Star Drop openings. But again, on that, make sure to tune in for that one, just because 2 years, I guess you'd say an anniversary of sorts. But other than that, let's see how far I can take this, guys.